Good evening, and before we get to our local weather, take a look at this. The first tornado ever recorded in Wisconsin in the usually frigid month of February. I'm not sure if you're seeing that on screen yet. It came on a day that broke records for warmth. Authorities say the storms left a swath of destruction that included dead and missing cows, roofs blown off of houses, destroyed storage sheds and barns, trashed vehicles, and shattered windows. They say at least one tornado was confirmed south of Madison. The National Weather Service is investigating reports of several more twisters spawned from the storms that swept across the southeastern part of Wisconsin last night. And here, looking at the state of Wisconsin, things look a little brighter. The picture is clearing, and the system, the low pressure system that caused all the havoc, has moved into Canada. And in fact, it's becoming a storm system. Meanwhile, to the south, we have the state of Illinois. Part of our state is clear now, and clouds to the south, but precipitation chances are dissipating. Looking at our own weather area, it's kind of also a battle of north and south. In the north, not much happening. In the south, above I-70 and to the south, more cloud cover, but really no precipitation at this hour. Campus Cam is showing you that our skies are fair at this time. It is officially dusk, and our conditions otherwise fairly uniform, with a temperature of 60 in Terre Haute and Champaign, also 61 right now in Decatur. A near record high temperature today, but no records were set. Here in Charleston, we had 63, the all-time record, a 69 for the high back in 1943. But a very warm February on this Friday, February the 9th. Overnight tonight, a low of 39. It'll be cloudy and then clearing and then cloudy again, and a slight possibility of rain to the south. Our winds, they are died down comparatively from yesterday, but still at 10 to 15 miles per hour, they are fairly steady, gusting up to 20 or so. Let's take a look at the possibility of precipitation for tonight. Right around midnight, you see some things developing right around Interstate 70 north and south, and some possible intensity, maybe a brief storm around the Effingham area, moving through Newton, Casey, Terre Haute, Marshall, Paris, but that system moves quickly out. By 3 o'clock in the morning, clouds, and then, frankly, the skies will be clearing by sunrise. So let's take a look at the full picture for the daylight hours Saturday. 9 o'clock in the morning, our temperatures are at about 41 degrees, and then for the rest of the day, not much temperature movement, some increasing clouds, cooler, but you know what? These temperatures are above average for this time of year. Our weekend outlook, taking a look and comparing the 3 days, Saturday into Monday, 46 degrees for the high on Saturday, highs near 48 then on Sunday, and then on Monday, our temperature dropping back down a little bit to 44 degrees. The winds are changing a little bit, and you see that eventually the winds will move all the way from the northwest to north to the northeast, and then in a more easterly and eventually southern direction. There has been some talk about the possibility of some snow over the weekend. They have indicated, and we're not indicating this, and certainly not now, but this is a look at Sunday morning when some people have said there will be some snow, and right now we're just not seeing that. We're seeing some clouds from time to time, but as the Futurecast continues, this model in particular is showing we're not even expecting precipitation during this period, much less snow. In our 7-day outlook, you see that our average extremes are a high of 42 and a low of 23 for this point in the month of February. And we will have temperatures slightly above average for this time of year, both on the high end and low end, but temperatures fairly uniform. It'll kind of be a ho-hum kind of week. It's not the warm weather we've been having, but all in all, not bad.